It's on video now.
Oh. Did her head pop it up?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Oh, she's
Peanut. Peanut. Peanut.
Oh my God, Peanut.
Peanut. Peanut.
Peanut, go in.
Peanut.
Go in. Go in. Go, run.
Peanut. Peanut. Up here.
Peanut. Peanut.
Hey.
Peanut, hey. No, Peanut, no. Where'd you go? There you are. You being crazy. You being crazy. You're so being crazy. You are being crazy. Oh crap, here she comes. She's running. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. She ran for you. Oh crap, here she goes again. No, wait, not.
Hey, Mama, don't leave me.
She's going crazy. She can't decide what she wants to do. Ah, crazy, crazy, crazy. Whoa, Peanut. Yeah.
Look at the wood. Stop.
Whoa, whoa, Peanut. Jeez. Oh, oh, she's rubbing into the camera. She wants you to pet her. What are you doing? Peanut.
You crazy girl. You crazy girl. You crazy. Time out.
Oh, that's a good picture for good video for. You're weird, Peanut. You're so crazy. You're so crazy.
I'm looking stoned.
She must have gotten into the catnip when we were gone. Yo, I do a catnip. Did you get to the catnip? Did you get to the catnip? Did you get to the catnip? Don't scratch me. Don't scratch me.
She's saying, don't touch me.
No, she wants attention. Oh, she looks mad now. Peanut, don't. You're gonna knock. You're either gonna fall off the table or you're gonna knock something off the table. Huh?
I fall.
She's. Well, sometimes she rolls and falls off.
My clothes, Peanut. No, Peanut. Yeah. Get out of my wet clothes.
Furry.
Peanut.
It's okay, Peanut. Now you're gonna smell like fabric softener. Oh, she's running or oh no, she's going back in it. Yes. You're gonna get some catnip. Niceies. You wanna chase the laser too? Well, she's sitting in the cat. Oh, she's rolling. Oh, Peanut. What are you doing? She just freaked out. She's... Oh, man. I don't even know what she did. She just, like, rolled around and freaked out. Stop licking yourself. She keeps like attacking her leg. What, Tina? Hi, Tassie. You used to be so pretty. You're being pretty. Oh, you got a nice smile. And you got her eyes running. Taz. You're so cute. You're so cute.
A pretty little girl. A pretty little girl.
It's just me moving. I don't know why she's so afraid of me. What? Oh, now he's cute. Taz, why not you go back up on the shelf thingy up there? Taz. You don't get very high off catnip, do you? Does she? I can't remember. Not really.
Not really.
Didn't think so. Dad, look what I got. Look what I got. There you are. I found you. I see. Ooh, that's blurry. I see you. Daz. Oh, kissy eyes. Zoom right in on her eyes. Oh, don't move. Ooh. I see your butt. There's Taz. Say bye, Taz. Bye, Taz.